Want to limit your iPhone charging to 80%? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Charging. Here you'll see the charge limit option. By default, it may be set to 100%. Apple may also suggest a recommended limit based on your usage. To limit charging, drag the slider down to 80%. Once set, your iPhone will stop charging when it reaches 80%. This helps reduce battery wear and can extend the overall lifespan of your battery. So don't worry if your phone stops charging at 80%. That means the limit is working. And that's it. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.